Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, all of the students. Today we are going to study about personal letter. And at the first one, I want to explain about some of the information which is connected with our material today. Here are the kompetensi dasar, and then for the next one is about tujuan pembelajaran, and then manfaat pembelajaran, and we will continue with muatan khas al-Muslim, and then appraisal aspect that I'm going to take later on, and then what will you do in this lesson. It's about making a group discussion, watching a video, responding to video, making a group discussion, the material, and then presenting the discussion result, and the last, doing the exercise. Well, we will see about the video
Welcome
here.
back, first grade friends. Today we're going to continue learning about letters. We're going to learn about the different parts of a letter. Each part is very important. Let's start with the date. This is also called the heading. And this is where you write the date to record when you wrote the letter. It goes on the right-hand side. You can add the month, the date, and the year. Next up is the greeting. And this is where you start your letter by greeting the person you are writing to. You include your reader's name and end your greeting with a comma. This letter starts with Dear Allison, but you can also start your letter with Hi, Allison, Hello, Allison. Next is the body of the letter, and this is where you include details that would be very interesting to your reader. Don't forget to leave a parking space for the left side of the page on the first line of the paragraph. The parking spot is just a little space where you push the words all the way to the right. This lets your reader know where the body starts. It says, Dear Allison, thank you for the Lego set. I've spent 1,000,000,000,000 hours building fun things. I can't wait to show you what I made. When will you visit again? Hopefully soon. The body has questions. You can make interesting things to add in your letter. Next up is the closing. So far we added the date, the greeting, the body, and after the body, we add the closing. And this is where you say goodbye to your reader. Make sure your closing is appropriate for who you write your letter to. Some examples include love, yours truly. This friend wrote your friend. But you can add many different things. Sometimes people write best wishes. You get very creative, friends. And at the very end of your letter, you add your signature. This is the final part of your letter. It is where you sign your name to let your reader know who the letter is from. So you write your name in print. If you know how to write script like many grown-ups do, you can add that as well. And this is the end of a letter. Date, greeting, body, and your ending and the signature. So if you can't remember, this is going to be attached to your assignment. The heading goes at the very top. The heading is the date. Then you add the greeting. Afterwards, you add the body. This is the most important part of your letter, where you add fun facts and the closing. And after the closing, you end your letter with a signature. This can be your name in print. It's the very last thing you add. For your assignment today, you have two options. Option A, you're going to drag the labels and add them to the part of the letter. What do you think number 1 is? What do we call this? What do we call 2, 3, 4, and 5? You can drag the green boxes or copy and paste them. If you have a tricky time dragging the boxes, friends, you can take a piece of paper and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can add the name of the part of letter you think it belongs with. Option B, You get to read this letter to yourself and print the sheet or use any paper to answer the 5 questions below. Have a great time deciding which option you're going to do. You can challenge yourself and complete both. Have a great time learning about all the parts of a letter, friends. Goodbye.
Okay, guys, after you watch the video, these are the explanations about the definition of the letter itself, and then some useful expression for a letter writing. And we continue with this one. If you want to use it, it's okay. And then delivering good news and delivering bad news in the letter. Now, here I show you about the part of the letter, and you can see by yourself here. This is the same with the video before, I think. And the last one is the language feature of personal letter. We can use this one of some tenses that you will use in the letter itself. After this, we continue with the exercise here. You can choose one of the exercise from 5 exercise here. This is the exercise number 1, exercise 2, 3, 4, and the last exercise is exercise 5 here. Well, I think, for our presentation and explanation here. Thank you very much. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.